Hey everybody, welcome back to Butchy Boom. Well, our last videos have been going through the roof. We've got close to 29,000 views, a couple of thousand viewing hours. So our driving videos, ride-alongs are quite the success. So we thought we'd put another one out for you. I was driving along, decided to throw the camera on. So, where am I? Well, we are about 5 minutes, if that, outside the village of Saratoga Springs, New York. Saratoga Springs, New York is about 40 minutes or so it's north of Albany. Very, very, very quick ride, whether it's through your driving or by car or Uber. There's even a train that goes from up into Saratoga. And there's a lot to do. We are just about a week and a half before Memorial Day. And we're going to be going through the town, and you'll see that it's, it's still busy, but it's nothing compared to what it's going to be in a week or so, as people start coming in and getting ready for Memorial Day. And then, of course, we're known for our racetrack. And everybody knows about the racetrack, so we're going to go take a look at that. We've got the Museum of Dance, the Saratoga Museum of Dance, the Saratoga Performing Arts Center, the Gideon Putnam Hotel. Hey, you guys want to see that really quick? It's a world-famous hotel. It's tucked off nicely over here in the Saratoga Spa State Park. Saratoga Spa State Park. So we've got mineral springs here, fresh water that you can just come and bring your water bottle and drink. Great golf courses here at the park, but there's also another one up by Longfellow's, and I'll show you that later on, maybe in another video. If you're interested, let me know. I believe it's called Prime. So you got the Auto Museum, the Hall of Springs. There's a whole bunch going on down here in Saratoga, and of course this is the the location of the world famous Saratoga Performing Arts Center, where acts come from all over the world to perform here. People from all over the world come to see the performances here. It's a sellout every year, usually. Every year we usually have a Fish crowd and a Grateful Dead crowd and Dave Matthews, all kinds of stuff. Now we're going through the park right now. The speed limit is 20 miles an hour. You have to be careful. There's pedestrians and bicyclists everywhere. So, but you can see this is gorgeous coming through here. So if you find yourself in Saratoga and you want to get away on a hot day, this is nothing better than walking through the tall pines of Saratoga Springs State Park. It's a couple of miles long, so you may want to pack a lunch or something and make sure you bring a water bottle. Some mosquito repellent probably wouldn't be a bad idea when it's really muggy out. Rain or shine, if you're going to be, out in the open in the sun, bring an umbrella. It helps shield you from the sun. So I want to slow down here a little bit so you can see this sign. Hopefully everybody gets a good view of the sign. You can see all the stuff here. I'm going to try to zoom in. Of course, I'm not a good photographer, but you'll get the idea. And now we're going to go back to a regular zoom, and I'm going to continue my ride. You don't want to see my dashboard. There we go. So the Gideon Putnam Hotel is right around the corner here. Okay, so here we are coming up on the horseshoe of the Gideon Putnam Hotel. It is beautiful. It is absolutely beautiful. There's usually an activity of some kind here. There's weddings and all kinds of celebrations. It's graduation season, so we're probably having some graduation parties and such. But you see this beautiful building. I'm trying to take it slow so that you guys can see. It's beautiful, and keep the people hopefully out of my shot. But you see over here to the right, they have bike rentals so that you can rent a bike. And then while you're in Saratoga, it's probably better to be on a bicycle anyway, or on foot, because traffic can be unbearable this time of year. Okay, so what we're going to do now, thanks for coming along to the Gideon Putnam.